Alright boys, so let's do the trade update of GBPAUD. Would you look at this? Like crazy. Like seriously, I said that I need the price to come back to this area of interest, hit the fucking AMA, and then give me the entry signal, which is what I can able to take the trade to the downside. But this is my lastest option, because this is not how I actually trade. Actually, also this is also having, man, this is kidding. This is also having the sideways zone right here. Should actually avoid this trade. I'm not going to take the trade for sure, because the 4 hours is bullish and the daily is bullish. Only one time frame we have for selling. I will never ever ever, as of now, I will never ever take such type of trades as of now. But as we are heading towards $102 million challenge, such type of trades will be
It's
starting
19 hours.
such type of trade will starting to take, because that is where actual money is make. This is the high risks trade. If this we are not considering such type of trades, there will be no trades for this week. So it's better, I mean, yeah, it's better to take the no trade. It's better to choose the option of not taking the trade rather than taking the wrong trade and doing a loss. Yeah, that's true. But it's still a high risk trade. But if we get the clean break and clean retracement and clean entry signal, that is high chances of playing out under our side. Now this is what I'm learn, and this is what I just started the lecture. This is just a second lecture which we are. First lecture is just a introduction. Second lecture it's started, and instantly I can able to understand. Instantly I can able to see the full difference of how I was taking the trade and how it must be take the trade. Zamin asman, like a sun, like uh, sky and the floor, the difference of sky and the floor, that much difference is the way I was taking the trade and the way we should be taking the trade in $102 million challenge. Brother, buckle up, because our trading is going to get full clear in the perspective within the next 15 days. That is 100% guarantee. I can believe in this. So I know that within the next 15 days I will just make very little bit amount of money. But once I finish this course, I would end up knowing every single perspective of how we should take trade, how we can scalp, how we can do swing, what we should be looking, how much trades we should be taking per day, per week, what session we should be take the trade, what time frame we should be take the trade. Not time frame, what time we should be take the trade. Sessions we talking about. All these questions are there in my brain like anything. This is the only missing piece of puzzle. That's why the losses has happened. And this course which we are doing, the $102 million challenge lecture, that a lecture is answering all of my questions. So I am this confidence, once I done this, after 15 days I can get back to the break even within, probably within 1 month. And after 1 month we'll start again making 1 lakh per month, and we'll be financially free, easy fuckingly. That's a minimum talking about. Minimum. So this is going to be a full journey right there. I'm gonna be famous because of my, because I have, because like in a prof firm, it's going to be a line like, this guy was close to lose this account. This guy was so close to lose this account, but how in the world he came back to break even? The full story, click to read the full story. Every single one is going to click, because every single one wanna know how in the world he have came back to break even with the only 0.3% of drawdown limit. It's crazy. It's very hard. It needs a professionalism in trading. So this is a full trade recap. EuroCAD. Oh, look at this! I have beautifully avoided loss in the perfection. I haven't took this trade. I was waiting for the break and retest. We have learned beautifully avoided the loss. Like, if I were old Udeshna, I would end up taking this trade and we would end up having this drawdown for no reason. GBPAUD, I'm waiting for the retracement and push to downside. If I get the clean, then I will take the trade. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But I will more focus on EuroCAD. In EuroCAD, I need a break and then retest, take the trade to the downside. This is what the trade recap looks like. Signing off, brother, and have a wonderful day ahead. We'll meet tomorrow. Peace.